What up everyone, it's your boy here Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another video. I don't know how can I call it, a YouTube kind of demonetized kind of video, because as some of you guys saw my post, I talked about one thing. Basically it's all about the channel got demonetized, and the moment whereby it got demonetized, it was all about some kind of spamming happened to my channel, because it was on December, I remember on 18th around 8 p.m. Is it? Yeah, 8 p.m. So around that time, what basically happened is just that I was at 6.2k subs. So matter of fact, all of a sudden I went from 6.2 to 6.3. I was so surprised. It was a matter of like 2 minutes or something. So within that hour or within that time, what basically happened is just that my channel got flagged at that moment, and I was thinking what made this kind of situation happen, because you know in 2021 it happened the same kind of scenario, and I wanted to do a survey, and I saw somewhere on my Google account on you know, whenever you check out your Google location when you are going somewhere, and each places your phone knows where you're visiting. So there is a certain place whereby it shows me it was in Nigeria, and I was not surprised, because you know sometimes some people might throwing you a wrong traffic on your channel, and this affects your channel completely, and how your reaction is, that's the most kind of key stuff. Because if you react like, damn, what's going on, I'm gonna be pissed off, I'm gonna just do this, I'm gonna just be this, that's the moment whereby you find a lot of things you're so frustrated. So how did I handle that kind of situation? It took for almost, I'll be honest, if you're starting YouTube, you have just to know this, it took me for almost 8 months to 9 months for YouTube to check and recover and know that it was a wrong traffic. Another kind of stuff which I even saw this kind of girl talked about on YouTube, and perhaps I'll drop a channel here down below. She got demonetized too, and she explained that sometimes your channel might be getting a lot of traffic, and YouTube, they're like, okay, what's going on here? And that moment whereby you're getting a lot of traffic might be a good traffic, and sometimes might be a bad traffic. Now I think the system does not know how they can differentiate at the same moment, because we have seen it before. A certain small channel in one night at the happening in the morning, you find your channel has blown, and they don't demonetize them. Shout out to Cafe Coffee for the coffee, man. I love that coffee, you know me guys, I love coffee. So, and basically what happened is just that throughout that kind of scenario, is just that YouTube does not know, I think, their algorithm or something, it implicates that it's a wrong traffic. I wish they could just make things clear. So a small channel rise up to be a big channel and it get demonetized. It's kind of like crazy. I understand, because my channel in many years, it has been growing bit by bit. Some of you guys so many times ask me, Abdul, your channel is supposed to be right now at even 100k or 200k subs. I understand, but coming throughout African countries and what I'm talking about, my scenario is all about tech. So it's not that, I understand there are big YouTubers out there, but for me, I don't know my niche. It's a little bit differently, but I'm just trying to be real with me. I don't want to fake anything like getting a lot of views or getting a lot of subs. I just want to keep everything organic. That's why I was saying so many times, this kind of scenario might be happening to you if you're starting even your YouTube channel. So if you have a plan of starting a YouTube channel, know that there are a lot of things might be happening along the way, and you might be hating them, because it's kind of frustrating. I've been on this platform for almost now 11 years. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, 11 years, and I'm still at 6.3k subs, but I love it because a lot of you guys, you're so organic, and a lot of you guys, we have been there since day one, since the channel has begun. You know, you enjoy the process, you see how you're progressing throughout there. It's such an amazing thing. A lot of people, they don't do that, they take things for granted, they just want quick success. Me, I usually say it's all about patience, and it's all about how you enjoy your craft. That's the only thing which is most important. And another kind of scenario which might be implicating my channel, throughout the January I stopped uploading. Now it got me puzzled a little bit because I had some conversation I can't share right now in public because these are like confidential throughout me and YouTube team speaking. So it was back and forth speaking to them. They say they're taking it to a higher level and all of that, so as I can reach out, and it's so much. But losing my hope throughout monetization, I feel like it's okay. It's 100%, it's okay. Things do happen, but does it stop me from creating content? That's a big question. Nah, because I love content creation. I started creating YouTube content before I even get earning, and I started earning not that much even good. It's just a good earning, I can say, like somewhere there, you know. You can say it's so much that you leave your work and start doing full-time YouTube. Losing monetization, does it make me as a content creator lose interest on YouTube? Basically, in one way or another, it depends on you how you take it. If you're for real with what you're doing, well, you just say I'm continue doing it because you have another source of income and you can try to do these things here and there. But if you find yourself so many times get through different scenarios, you don't know how you can implicate throughout it, you'll find yourself you're quitting. Let me just drink this coffee first, you know what I mean? Coffee time. Espresso. You wanna messing with me here? Okay, so I was a little bit out of my breath. Okay, so guys, basically it depends on you how you take it. But for me, I'll be honest, I've been OG since day one and I can't complain. I love this platform. It's a good platform. I've been uploading a lot of my content here. It's almost 900 something videos since then. I've learned a lot of stuff through the platform. I've learned from other creators too. And for me, I did not even void any policy. Sometimes you might be getting an audio strike or from music you have used, which sometimes you're like, okay, I've subscribed on Elements and Vato and I'm getting these kind of sounds, and later on you get a strike. We understand how you can solve that, but the basically is all about demonetization, about the smaller channels making it a little bit somewhere up to 10k, even 15k, you know what I mean? We are not from the Westie, we can brag about it because those guys, they're favorite or they've been favorable throughout many things. For us Africans, we're a little bit different. It takes time for us to grow through these platforms, and when we're growing, it becomes a tragic. Now when it becomes a tragic, if you're someone who you are not getting things throughout a good level, you'll just quit. But for me, to be honest, I can't quit on this platform because I just love how YouTube it is. I just enjoy uploading my content, sharing with you guys my ideas, sharing with you guys some tutorials, and sharing with you guys some tech review. And some of you guys usually even teach me some stuff which I even don't know. So not so many times that I know something and say that I know. Sometimes I have no idea, but I figure it out how I can know bit by bit. So I think that's an overall throughout this video of today. I don't want to just take up a lot of your time, but I think that's the thing with YouTube. They just need to fix that, and when they're fixing it, it will be much better because it's so much annoying, man, getting demonetized. And I know it's just crazy, but you know, that's how platforms they are. So overall, that's it. I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And another kind of stuff, if you're a small content creator, you're just jumping on the platform, don't take things on rush, take things slowly, aste. You just get there, you know what I mean? You just, you know, things will work out for you. So that's it. Up to on the next one, and peace.